What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Essence Simone, and we are back with another Doordash video. I know it has been a while, but we are back out here, and I am waiting on my first order. And so I just got an order for Fazoli's. It is $8 for about 8 miles. So we're going to go pick that up now. Guys, so I just had an order for crystals. It was for $7.25 for like wasn't that many miles, but yeah. So I just had a crystal order. Now I added on a American Daily order for like 0.5 miles. So we're gonna go pick that up now.
I'ma actually shoot you. Most of these niggas be capping, we knew it. These niggas drop shit when we laugh at their music. I know how to murder these niggas with condoms. Fucking that bitch from the back, I do it. I buy Cuban and Bella with diamonds. Send my assistant to pick up some condoms. crystals and a American Daily order.
Now I just got one for a restaurant called Sturping for $6, and it's only 1.6 miles away. So let's go get it. So I have the Sturping order and I'm about to go deliver it. It's only 3 minutes away, so we won't be that
long. In a quarter mile, turn right onto South Houston Lake Road.
Your feelings, don't leave no pieces. You need to hurry and pick up your
just like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever.
Okay guys, so I am on my way to Chick-fil-A. I have a order there for $7. It's for 1.8 miles, and I think I'm gonna let that be the last order for the day. And that means we will have reached our goal of $50 for today. I have to check the amount of time to let you guys know how many hours it took to make $50, but give me just a second and I will let you guys know. So stay tuned for this last clip. All right, y'all.